What's going on, everyone? It's Justin at InFocus Investing, and this is going to be a quick look at Bitcoin and Ethereum because I think we're at a really interesting point in the chart and in the price action that is worth taking a look at. I was super skeptical and very cautious over the last couple of weeks, and I did call the drop from 55,000 down to 30,000. I put a warning video out there on April 23rd. It did take about a week and a half for it to start going lower, and we did see that correction happen, 50% off the highs from that 64,000 range. Okay, so now where are we? We have, we corrected lower 50%, and then we started to bounce. Then we went lower, then we bounced and went lower. So we've been trading in a range right now. Okay, what I'm seeing here that's a little bit different is one of the main things that caught my eye. Whenever I see a nice green hammer candle in a downtrend, that to me sends my, it's like the antenna that comes out. It's like, okay, pay attention, because the market is now telling you something different. It can mean that there's a potential trend change on the horizon. So the other thing that made me even more bullish was this candlestick that formed, which was another daily green candlestick. And if you look here, it's exactly perfectly off of the lows from the original correction on Bitcoin. All right, so we're having multiple bounces in these low areas. You have multiple wicks here, here, here. These are all things to take note of, and I believe that it is very bullish in my opinion. Bitcoin is still below the 200-day EMA, and that's where it actually got rejected mid-June. So it hit 41K or so and pulled back all the way down to 29,000. So pretty significant move down there. If you were chasing these highs, then that definitely sucked. Now we are building support again above the 8 EMA, and I suspect that the 21 EMA will be broken very soon. That's how Bitcoin looks right now. If we look at Ethereum looks a little bit better technically because it has the 200-day EMA below it. So the 200 days, the purple line right here, and then you have the 8 EMA as well. We are above the 8 EMA and we are below the 21. So it's the same setup on Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're below the 21 but above the 8. So we're sandwiched in the middle of these two moving averages. And once you start to see price getting above the 8 EMA and building a couple of daily candle closes above that level, that's when momentum is really going to start to kick in. So if we go back to Bitcoin, I believe over 35,300 or so, we should get a pretty big move higher. Now, based on this price wave, so this hammer candle and then this follow through here, I would expect to see a daily candle something like this, something to around 37.3 or so. And that's just what I would expect to see. Whenever you see candlesticks with some price waves, whether they're up or down, and then you see like a consolidation candle like this in the middle, generally you're going to see follow through to the direction of the recent price wave. So here we had a price wave higher. So I expect to see a nice size candle probably today. This daily candle just started a few minutes ago at 8 p.m. So an hour ago at 8 p.m. And we're already picking up some bullish momentum. And I believe that that's going to follow through for the rest of the day. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us somewhere around 37,300 in the very near future. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are starting to pick up steam again. And some of the altcoins are also picking up some steam again. A rising tide lifts all boats. So usually, Bitcoin and Ethereum will lead the altcoin market higher as well. So that's my analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think we are in for some bullish moves. And I think that people who are waiting for lower, I do see a lot of people commenting on certain pages saying, oh, Bitcoin's going to go lower. Oh, Ethereum's going to go to 1,500. Bitcoin's going to go to 20,000. That to me is bullish. And I love to see people talking like that, because it means that once Bitcoin and Ethereum start to pop nicely, which they are already, but once you start to see some more momentum, guess who's going to be the first people chasing it? The people who said that is going to go lower. And they might not chase it right away, which is going to fuel the rally even higher. So that's market psychology, and I love to see everyone's opinions, and I love to see where everyone thinks the market's going. And as you guys know, I've been super cautious on Bitcoin over the last couple of weeks. I said, be careful, we're going lower. We don't know where the bottom is. Don't try to catch a falling knife, which is a popular term in the financial markets, which means when the market's just dropping straight down, don't try to be a hero and buy the dip, because we are not sure where the bottom is yet. I waited till I saw something that I liked in the chart that I felt was a good level to risk off of. I did put a post on Instagram the other day, which I normally don't do, and I said that I was buying at $31,300. So there it is. That's my analysis. Hope you guys are doing well. Good luck investing and trading.